Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video on the MK6 Golf. What we're going to be doing today is just carrying on from the previous video. We've now got the front crash bar. We're going to get that fitted. We've now got the bit of trim for the headlight that then holds the bumper and wing together. What we're going to do is we're just going to test fit the front bumper, test fit the wing because they are going up for paint at the beginning of next week. Today is Sunday. I'm going to try and get this video out for you guys tonight. And what else are we going to do? We have ordered a new aircon rad, so obviously that's not here yet. So we are going to get the crash bar on, then we're just going to build it back up together, and then what we're going to do is we're also going to drill the holes out for the parking sensors as well, just so that's done before it goes up for paint. So I'll get set up as usual and we'll crack on. I just want to say quickly as well, massive thank you for each and every one of you that subscribed. We've hit over 2,000 subscribers, so over the moon with that. It weren't that long ago that we hit 1,000, so it seems to be going at a good pace. The next milestone is 5,000 subs, so if you guys like what we're doing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop us a like as well. Much appreciated. As you can see, that's the left side and then that's the right one. So you can see that bit has broken off there. So what we've done, got the new bit there, that's the bit we was waiting for. We'll get that fitted. Should be all good. This is the bit that I thought was wrong, but it's actually the bottom of the headlight, and then this is the bracket that goes around the side. So we're all good on that, so I'm just going to fit the headlight back to it. So we're having a bit of an issue with this side. The wing's not properly lined up, hence why I can't get that to clip in. But it's going to be one of them ones where once it's all painted, the reason why it's not lining up properly is because this bracket here is slightly pushed down, so it's throwing everything out. So obviously it's not going on Obviously this side's fine, but I mean it will line up fine once. It's broken there, see. It will line up once I've wiggled that about and got that all straight. The wing's only holding one bolt at the moment, so yeah. Obviously it's raining and you know weather's not great, so I'm gonna whip it off, get it down to the paint shop, and then once it's back, we can get it all fitted up. The crash bar's all on there, as you can see there. Slam panel's all on. Lights are in fine. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to drill the holes out for the sensors on the bumper. We'll whip the wing back off, and then we can wait for them to come back from the paint shop. We'll probably be one more video on this. And then that's sort of pretty much wrapped up. We'll go through all the numbers and so on, and then yeah, we can get rid of it. Obviously coming up to Christmas now as well, so I'm not sure how quickly we'll be able to get it out the door. But at least it's another one done. So yeah. Right guys, I'm going to wrap today's video up. I know it's only a short one. Not much more I can do until the parts are painted. Once they're painted, we'll get cracking, get them fitted, and then we can wrap the Mark 6 Golf up. We'll go through the figures and so on. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget, if you like what we're doing, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more content coming. So I will catch you guys very, very soon. Okay guys, peace.